a trade breakdown on how I got this trade and how I got my target, my entry, and my invalidation zone. Yeah. If this is what you want to see, then you stick around till the end because I'm sure you will learn one or two from it. So they trade the markets. I trade my namesake. My name is Gold. I'm not just a trader, but a trader who trades only her namesake. So let's get into the video. So here we can see that price was formerly in a downtrend, and this was the last break of structure right here. And then here we got this change of character here. And then looking at these legs, there was no liquidity for price to come down to come to the other block. So I saw this inducement resting right here. And this area is already acting as an area of support. Yeah. So I just knew that price was going to use this zone to continue the buy. I knew that price was going to use this zone to continue the buy. So I had a limit here, but I hit SL. I don't know why, but I hit SL in this limit here. So after I hit SL, I then had to use confirmation entry. And that's when I saw this bullish engulfing. After it swept me out, it's created a bullish engulfing. So you already know how we trade a bullish engulfing. If you don't know, go through my videos. Alright, so I just put my SL here. And for the target, I've been waiting for these equal highs, this relative equal highs, since the day it has been created. So that is where all my target has been. So let me take it there. So this right here is was my target. And yeah, so this was how I caught the first trade. For the second one, we can see after we got this break, price rallied to this sell zone. Price rallied to this sell zone. There was a trade I caught here. Um, there was a trade. I think I closed that one much earlier than this two. There was a trade I caught here. How did I catch it? After this break of structure, I saw this inducement. And what was the POI closest to the inducement? This fine guy. Well, I didn't use this one. I used this breaker right here. So this is what I used, and I think this one I closed it at 8 RR. I put my essay just somewhere here, and then when I saw the reaction around this guy, this trade was actually 8 RR. I remember vividly well. Anyways, when I saw the reaction of sales around here, I closed this guy here. That was when I closed this guy. All this trade I shared it in my Telegram channel, so you can actually check my Telegram channel, my Telegram community. The link is in the bio if you are watching on YouTube. If you're watching on social media, the link is in the description if you're watching on YouTube. Okay, so for the second trade, after the price rallied and we got sell to the downside, I was looking for a buy, I think with this breaker, or I picked the POI from 4 hours. Let me check 4 hours. I picked the POI from the 4 hours. Aha, so we had a 4 hour FVG and then we have this breaker just here. Yeah, we had this breaker just here. So this was the POI I picked. I just picked the body because the wicks were unnecessarily long. So I just picked the body. And guess what? Of course, I got stopped out. Alright, yeah, so I got stopped out because I think my Excel was just covering on top of this guy, yeah. So I also got stopped out. Then what did I do? I said, okay, let's see what price is gonna do. I know that this zone will definitely hold, yeah. I know that this zone will definitely hold. So price tapped, I think, into this POI, and then it gave me an FVG and also a bullish engulfing. I didn't really use the FVG, I used the engulfing candle for this entry. So you can see the two trades were actually from confirmation entry after hitting a stop loss. Do you get, on that same entry? So, and I had the same target for both of them. And I held this trade, I think, for 4 weeks. For 4 weeks, yeah. I think this was a 4.9 hour trade, and this was a 10 hour trade, yeah. Yeah. So yes, that was how I got. Why did you can see the 4 hours? That 4 hours which I just knew that is like a magnet. And when I got this trade here, I knew that this guy would definitely be liquidity. So when price was coming down, I was not really interested in other zones because we have this first break. We have this is more like liquidity. I already know that this zone is liquidity. And then we also have piles of liquidity right here. So I was not looking to buy from this zone. Why? Because I know that this was liquidity already. But it was an incomplete pullback here. So I knew it was liquidity already. And yeah, my zone got respected. And that was how I printed this nice arrow. I shared it in my Telegram community. Let me show you. Okay, so this was the trade. This was the first one. This was the second one at entry. Yeah. This was the second one at entry. I told them to enter with confirmation and I said confirmation entry gotten. And then this was when the trade hit TP. You can see I took the trade. This is my MT5. So this is the MT5. I held this trade for 4 weeks. This is the MT5 for the first one. This is for the second one here. So yeah, I made good profits from these two trades. So yeah, that's it. I share my trades on Telegram on my free Telegram channel, so you can always join us there. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. For now, adios.